Hello everyone, this is Azim Ansari, Assistant Professor, Shri Vile Parle, Kelwani Mandals, Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. Today I am going to explain one of the important topic of Drug and Cosmetic Act, that is import of drug. First one, what is the import means? Import means to bring into India the drug or medicament or substance which are bring into India from other country. Then these are the classes of drug which are prohibited to import into India. Then spurious drug, misbranded drug, Schedule J drug which claim to cure or prevent any disease or ailment, adulterated drug, then any patent or proprietary medicine, the true formula, a list of active ingredients with their true quantity is not displayed on the label or container in a prescribed manner. Unsafe or harmful drug, that is the drug or cosmetic containing any such ingredient which may render it unsafe or harmful for use. Then these are the classes of drug which are permitted to import into India based on license only. These are drug specified in Schedule C and C1, drug specified in Schedule X, drugs for examination, test or analysis, drugs for personal use, and any new drug. We discuss one by one permitted drug, import of permitted drug and cosmetic under license only. First one, import of the biological drug, import of the biological drugs in Schedule C and C1. What is the specific condition is required? First condition is required storage facility. Licensee must have sufficient facility for storage of imported drugs so that the properties of drug are preserved. Next one, to maintain record, licensee must maintain the records of sale of drug showing particular of the name of the drugs and of the persons to whom they have been sold. Then inspection. Licensee must allow the inspector to inspect the premises where imported drugs are stored and to check the record and to take the sample for test or analysis. Then send licensing authority. Licensee on request shall supply the sample of drugs from all batches to the licensing authority for test or analysis. That is a condition required for import of biological drug in Schedule C and C1. Then next one, condition for grant of license for import of Schedule X drug. First one, storage facility. Licensee must have the adequate storage facility to preserve the quality or properties of the drug. Then next one, applicant must be reputable in the occupation, trade or business. Then next condition, license not cancelled. The license granted even before should not be suspended or cancelled. Then next one, not convicted any offence. Licensee has not been convicted any offence under the Drug and Cosmetic Act and Narcotic and Psychotropic Substance Act. These are the conditions required for grant of license for import of the Schedule X drug. Now, next one, condition for grant of license. for drug imported for examination, test or analysis. First condition required duly signed. The application for the license is required to be made to the licensing authority, duly signed by head of institution where the drug are to be used. Next condition, drug for said purpose. The licensee must use imported drug limited for which they are imported and specified in the license. Next condition, to keep record. Licensee must keep the record of imported drug showing particulars of their quantities, name of manufacturer and date of import. And last one, inspection. Licensee must allow the inspector to inspect the premises where imported drugs are kept and to check the record and to take the sample for test or analysis. Licensee to check and to take the sample for test or analysis. Okay, that is a condition required for grant of license for drug imported for examination, test or analysis. Then next one, condition for grant of license for drug imported for personal use. That is, a drug must be bona fide personal use. A small quantity of drugs that import of which is otherwise prohibited may be imported for personal use without any license. The drug shall form the passenger's bona fide luggage and shall exclusively be for personal use of the passenger. The next one, sanctioned by the custom authority. The drug shall be declared to custom authority if they directed to. Then up to 100 average dose imported. The quantity of any single drug so imported shall not exceed 100 doses. That is a condition required for drug imported for personal use. Then next one, condition for drug, condition for grant or condition for grant of license for import of new drug. First one, no new drug import. No new drug are allowed to import without the sanction of licensing authority. Then permission for import of new drug. The importer of new drug, when applying for permission, shall produce all documentary evidence and other evidence relating to its standard of quality and purity, strength, and such other information, including the clinical trial, to the licensing authority. That is the condition required for import of new drug. Then the condition for grant of license of drug, exempted from provision regulating import of drug. Then substance not used for medical purpose. The substance not intended for medical use. And condition label should bear that not for medicinal use. And next one, these are the substance which are both drug and food, exempted from all provision. Okay, that is all condensed powder milk, Pyrex, oats, lactose, Cerelac, then Virol, chicken essence, and other similar pre-digested food. Then cinnamon, pepper, ginger, and other condiment and spices. Then places through which the drug are imported into India. There are some places through which the drug are imported via by sea, by air, or by rail. By sea through Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Cochin, Visakhapatnam and Nhava Sheva, and by air through Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and Hyderabad, and by rail through Firozpur Khand and Amritsar railway station for drug coming from Pakistan, Ranghat, Bongaon and Maisan for drug coming from Bangladesh, and Raxul for drug coming from Nepal. That is the places through which drug are imported. Then what is the penalty and offense related to import of drug? What is the penalty and imprisonment and offense related to import of drug? Import of spurious or adulterated or drug which involve risk to human being or animal or drug not having therapeutic value, it having a 3 year penalties of that person, that is a 3 years imprisonment, that is a lockup into jail, and 5,000 fine on first conviction, and 5 years lockup into jail and 10,000 fine or both for subsequent conviction. Then import of any drug or cosmetic, the import of which is prohibited under section 10. Then first on 6 month lockup into jail or 500 fine or both for first conviction, or 1 year imprisonment and 1000 fine or both for subsequent conviction. That is all about the import of drug. Okay, thank you.